Hi, it's Chad with American RV in Evansville, Indiana. A question that we get pretty often is, how can I tell how much this travel trailer or fifth wheel actually weighs, and can my truck pull it? Today we're going to do just a quick video to show you where to find that information on a travel trailer. On most travel trailers manufactured in the last few years, you're going to find a couple of stickers on the side that are going to give you some information. On most Forest River products, you're going to find on the off-door side front some stickers on the side. These are going to list your, if it's got Canadian specs, you'll have your dry weight in kilograms here, but on most of them you're going to have a sticker that shows your gross vehicle weight rating, which on this one is 7,450 pounds. You'll have axle ratings, which is just how much you can load it up on each axle before the axles are overloaded. A lot of people will go off of this gross weight rating when trying to figure out if their truck can pull it, and that's not necessarily the best way to do it. This trailer is a 20-foot non-slide travel trailer that happens to have pretty heavy axles underneath it, which is good, but the trailer doesn't actually weigh 7,450 pounds. The trailer itself, if we look on the front tongue, this is something that Forest River does, is they put a sticker on each one that shows the exact weight of this trailer as it was built. The dry weight is what you're going to want to go off of, which in this case is 4,234 pounds. So you don't need a truck that can pull over 7,000 pounds to really pull this trailer. You know, you can go less than that. We figure that most people are going to put, maybe 500 to 1,000 pounds worth of stuff in it. So as long as your vehicle, is rated for 1,000 pounds or 1,500 pounds over that dry weight capacity, then you should be okay. Now, some other manufacturers do the weights differently and put them in a different spot. So let's go find a Keystone product, a Thor product, and we'll show you that. So this is a Thor product, a Keystone product, a Springdale. And this one has the stickers on the same place as the Forest River, but they look a little bit different. You still have the same information. You've got gross vehicle weight rating of 6,500 pounds, a gross axle weight rating for each axle of 3,500 pounds. But again, your most important bit of information is going to be this unloaded vehicle weight, which on this one is 4,680 pounds. Quite a difference. So if we figure you put 1,000 pounds of stuff in it, really you're ever going to make this thing weigh 5,600 pounds. The goal is to stay under the gross weight. But again, this is just a 20-foot no-slide travel trailer. Keystone does put their weight stickers in another area as well. So if you can't find it on the outside, look for a yellow sticker on the inside of the door frame, which is also going to show your unloaded vehicle weight on there as well. So we hope this video helped you out. We get a question about this all the time, about what can my vehicle pull, and it's important to go off the unloaded weight, the dry weight of the camper, not necessarily that gross weight rating. If you have any questions, put them below in the comments and we'll be happy to answer them for you. Happy camping.